Hi, today I will show you how you can optimize your existing model or create LODs like level of details out of this one. So first of all, I will click this part. You see, it has 65,000 vertices. So we'll go into this tab. Now, here is a modifier list. Click this one. So for optimization, here is one called Pro Optimizer. Just select this one, select calculate. Okay, it's calculated. Now you see it's 65,000 right now. So if we bring it down like 50%, okay, you see it's now 32,000 vertices now. And yeah, we lost some of the details, but it's quite good. It's quite usable. So if we turn this like 10%, okay, so this is 10%. Yeah, this is broken. We can't use this one, but this is only 6,000 vertices. You see, you can export one model with 6,000, another one with 30%, maybe, yeah, 19,000, another one maybe 70% with 45,000, and another one with 100%. You see, this is called level of details for the model. This is for optimize your 3D rendering scene and for games. And with this technique, you can also easily optimize your model in 3ds Max. Yeah, bye.